Brazil court orders house arrest for 10 Bolsonaro coup convicts. Brazilian police arrived at homes across the country on December 27, 2025, with electronic monitoring bracelets and strict orders. These 10 convicted coup conspirators would spend the next months confined to their residences. Justice Alexandre de Moraes, a Supreme Court justice who has become Brazil's guardian against authoritarian threats, signed the order. As police secured doors and installed monitoring devices, Brazil's democracy sent a powerful signal. Those who plot to overthrow the constitutional order will face consequences. Brazil's democracy nearly collapsed in late 2022. After Bolsonaro lost the October 2022 presidential election to Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, various military officers, government officials, and Bolsonaro loyalists allegedly began planning a coup to prevent the transition of power. The conspiracy, uncovered by federal police in November 2022, aimed to use military force to arrest Lula and prevent his inauguration. Some conspirators allegedly discussed executing judges on the Supreme Court. Others discussed declaring a new government. Had the coup succeeded, Brazil would have experienced its first military takeover since the 1985 transition to democracy. The conspiracy involved actors across Brazil's security establishment. Key figures included Filipe Martins, a former Bolsonaro presidential advisor who allegedly coordinated coup planning, Silvinei Vasques, ex-director of Brazil's Federal Highway Police, and military officers from various branches. Prosecutors presented evidence that these men held clandestine meetings, drew up plans for military occupation of government buildings, and discussed arrest warrants for political opponents. The coup never materialized. Lula was inaugurated peacefully, but the conspiracy revealed how fragile Brazil's democratic institutions remained. International observers reacted with approval. The Inter-American Commission on Human Rights praised Brazil's judiciary for investigating the conspiracy thoroughly. The United States State Department welcomed the arrests as evidence that Brazil's democratic institutions were functioning. But Brazil's political right expressed fury, claiming the arrests were politically motivated persecution. Bolsonaro, facing his own charges related to the conspiracy, denounced the court as a tool of persecution. His supporters organized protests outside the Federal Justice Building. Why does this matter? Brazil is Latin America's largest democracy. If it slides toward authoritarianism, the region's democratic stability crumbles. The 2022 coup conspiracy demonstrated that anti-democratic forces remained active and willing to use violence. House arrest orders signal that Brazil's Supreme Court will aggressively defend constitutional democracy. But the political divisions revealed by the coup persist. Roughly 40% of Brazilians support Bolsonaro despite his role in the conspiracy. Whether Brazil can heal these divisions and rebuild consensus on democratic values remains an open question. Will these house arrests deter future coup attempts? Or will political polarization continue deepening until the next authoritarian challenge emerges? The answer depends on whether Brazil can address the underlying grievances driving support for Bolsonaro while maintaining judicial independence against political pressure.